Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration CX65 SVU. Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TDCi 155 PS Low Roof D, Cab Limited Van. It has done 87,000 miles with full service history. It is a factory-fitted crew cab and has 2 keys. The van comes with alloys, air conditioning, auto headlights, Bluetooth, CD, DAB radio, heated windscreen, heated seats, parking sensors, tow bar, tailgate, full leather seats. A brilliant example of a long wheelbase 2.2 crew cab custom with a fantastic spec. This van is the ideal choice for a work crew or for recreational use. Already fitted with handmade shelving and storage for tools or fishing gear, it also benefits from nice low mileage and a tailgate, making it the one to have. A perfect all-round van, don't miss this one, it won't be here long. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale, part exchange is considered at trade value, finance options available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to 3pinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.